So this is our new irrigation tank system. We have a 3-inch pipe, crosses an arbor, comes off the roof into 2 tanks. The red one is an 865, and the mocha or beige is a 660, so we have about 1,500 gallons total. You can see that the first pipe dumps into the, or empties into the 865, and the overflow goes into the 660, and then it all overflows eventually to the woods. So what we've done, we've taken the low flow pipes, or the outflow pipes at the bottom, put valves on them, and we've hooked them up to a 1 horsepower Grundfos pump. Right now it's connected by an extension cord to the house, and Marilyn is going to demonstrate that this, yeah, don't spray me.
Oh yes.
But when she actually turns the hose on, go ahead, the pump activates. And we have pretty good pressure. Is this about the same as your house pressure or better?
Oh, about the same, I guess.
Okay, so when you shut the valve off, the pump runs for a little bit. For about 60 psi. It should shut off. And when she turns the hose back on again, back on. So this can be connected to a house irrigation system for the yard, provides pressure, and this is all running off of rainwater collected from the house. And all this is then hidden with the case. You want to put the case back on?
Okay, sure.
So this matches the tank system. Oh, we have the wires have to stick in. So
Yeah, the wires are showing.
just stuff those in. And there you go. You can seal this. You can actually bolt it down so the pump is very neat and tidy. You have hose in and you have hose out. And Marilyn is very happy with this.
I know.